Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today, as you can see from the title, excuse me, I'll say that again. Welcome back to the channel, and as you can see, today we're doing another unboxing of a Hermes item. Can anybody guess what it is, just from the size? Let me know, I'm giving you a few seconds. Everybody commented what they think it is? Great, let's get on with the unboxing. Okay guys, we are back. This is the box itself. Again, wrapped in a beautiful ribbon. Back of the box with no writing on as per. Let's get into it. Let's just take this ribbon off. Like that. Now here's the big reveal. I hope you commented in the description box below, not the description box, in the comment section rather, of what you think this item is, and I'll just give you another minute to comment the colour as well. You commented? Great, let's do it. Again, excellent presentation. Just a little pamphlet. I think this is just warranty information. So I'm going to turn this around so you can see it. It was the right way, my bad. And it is this beautiful Kelly double toe in size T3 in Mauve Sylvestre, I think that's how you pronounce the name, with rose gold hardware. Absolutely beautiful. Now give me 2 minutes and we'll try it on. And this is what it looks like on my wrist, guys. As I said, this is in size T3, which I believe is up to 16cm wrist. Thank you so much for watching my unboxing video of the Hermes Kelly double toe in Mauve Sylvestre. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the usual notification and whatever you. And I'll see you for another video. Bye for now, guys.